believe hundreds of precision engineering companies are founded every year, and if you're one of those that's just about to start up a new business, then you'll need machine tools, and Dugard are offering their new starter deal package, which I'm going to tell you all about now. What comes with it? Well, the first thing is this machine here, this Dugard 550 vertical machining center, a small footprint machine offering you 550 millimeters in the x-axis and 400 mil in the y and 460 in the z, with that all-important 16-station ATC tool changer, and there is the option to go for a 24 tools if you require it. An 11,000 RPM spindle, and it's a pretty quick machine. It's 36 meters a minute, and it weighs almost 3 tons, and comes with things like you see here, the airline, the hand wheel, the Mitsubishi control, which has got the conversational package and simulation all included in it. Now, as well as this, you'll also get the Schmeck PL 1600 turning center, which is a compact turning center that offers you 51 mil bar capacity. It's got a 12-station turret, and it comes with things like tool probe, swarf conveyor, all of the things that you'll need to get started within your business. Now, I've thought about this quite seriously, and I thought, what would I be interested in if I was about to embark on that journey? The first thing is I wouldn't want to be laden with debt. You've then got the benefits of the fact that they're easy to operate, easy to control. They're both very, very small footprint machines, and of course they come with the warranty and training that you would expect from a machine tool supplier. Just goes to show that Dugard aren't just interested in supporting existing UK manufacturers, they're here to support new ones as well.